What does Jiho's mom do?
Mom is a doctor.
Right. What does she do every year?
Every year she does volunteer work.
Where is she staying this year?
She is staying in Sudan for 2 weeks.
When did she go there?
She left last week.
Okay. What did they have for the first night dinner?
The first night, Dad ordered pizza.
What about the second night?
The second night, Dad ordered pizza again.
Okay. Did they like it?
Yes. The second night.
What about the third night?
The third night, Dad ordered the pizza again.
Okay. So, did they like it?
No.
Why does Gio's mom have to send emails in English?
Because his mom lost her laptop at the airport. There is a computer in her camp, but it has no Hangul.
Right. What time did Jiho get up?
He got up at 9 o'clock this morning.
What did he have for breakfast?
He had toast and juice for breakfast.
What kind of homework did he do?
Then he did his math homework.
What will he do this afternoon?
He will play outside with friends.
Where will Jiho and his dad go?
Dad and Jiho will go to a baseball game tonight.
What does Jiho hope?
He hopes the Tigers win.
Where did Jiho go for school field trip last week?
Last week, they went on a school field trip to the Doctor Museum.
What did Dongwon eat on the bus?
Dongwon ate a whole bag of donuts on the bus.
Okay. Page 21. What does the museum have?
The museum had a birthday movie theater.
What happened to Dongwon?
Suddenly, Dongwon threw up.
Why did it happen to Dongwon?
Because he ate a donut. Because he ate donuts on the bus.
What was it like?
It was like a volcano exploding.
So, what did Gio write in his report?
In his report, he write all about Dongwon and his donuts.
Okay. 그래 지호가 만세라고 있다. 그치?
만세! 근데 토하면 다 치워야 할 텐데 얘가.
그치. What did his teacher tell to Jiho?
Our teacher told him to write the report again.
Alright, next page, 22. Where did Julie go last Friday?
Julie went to the Sydney Wax Museum.
Okay. What does the museum have?
The museum is full of wax statues.
Okay. What kind of statues does it have?
One hall has sports stars. Another hall shows famous people in history.
Alright, so what was her favorite thing?
Her favorite thing was the experience room because they could make wax models of our hands.
Right.
Mom is a doctor. Every year she does boarding tour work. This year she is staying in Sydney for 2 weeks. She left last week. The first night, Dad ordered pizza. Great! The second night, Dad ordered pizza again. Yippee! The third night, Dad, yes, a pizza. Yuck! I don't like pizza anymore. I'm missing Mom. Unfortunately, Mom lost her laptop at the airport. There is a computer in her camp, but it has no Hangul. Mom has to send email in English. I write to her one day and she write next. This is what I wrote today. Dear Mom, I got up at 9 o'clock this morning. I had toast and juice for breakfast. Then I did my math homework. It is now 12 o'clock. I am watching TV. The weather is nice, so this afternoon I will play outside with friends. Dad and I will go to a baseball game tonight. I hope the Tigers win. See you soon, Jiho. Doctor and Donuts. Last week we went on a school trip to a dog museum. Dong and a whole bag of donuts on the bus. The museum has a 4D movie theater. The seats went up and down. It was like a bird flying. The seat went left and right. It was like a bee swimming. Suddenly, Dong threw up. It was like a volcano exploding. In my report, I wrote all about Dong and his donuts. Our teacher told me to write the report again. I don't know how to write a good report. Fortunately, Julie sent me a copy of a report of her last trip to Sydney Wax Museum. Our class went to the Sydney Wax Museum last Friday. Everybody had a good time. The museum is full of wax stations. One hall has sports stars. Another hall shows famous people in history. My favorite thing was the experience room because we could make wax smoothies of our hands. The museum is very large. I want to go again and see more things. Now I can write a good report on the Museum.